The deer who changed the king. A king used to hunt deer. Many deer died due to this. One day, the deer king came to the king and said, "Sir, many of my deer are dying every day. To stop this, we will send you one deer every day." The king agreed. He was also very impressed by the deer king and said, "You will never be hunted." So every day, one deer presented itself to the king. One day, it was the turn of a deer who had a young baby. She went to the king and said, "O king, I want my baby to grow. Then I will go to the king." The deer king said, "Do not worry. I will go in your place." The next day, the king was surprised to see the hurt king. The deer king told him everything. The king was impressed with the deer king's sacrifice. He said, "My friend, I promise not to hunt deer anymore." The mice which ate the plow. Once, two traders, Ram and Sham, were friends. One day, Ram went on a business trip and kept his plow at Sham's house. Sham sold the plow and kept the money. When Ram came back to get his plow, Sham said, "The mice have eaten your plow." Ram was surprised at this strange answer. That evening, Ram took Sham's son to a friend's house, saying, "Please keep this little boy here until I come back for him." When Sham asked Ram about his son, Ram replied, "A bird carried him away." Sham said, "How can a bird carry a boy?" Sham went to the court. The judge heard everything. He asked Ram, "How can a bird carry a boy?" Ram replied, "If a bird cannot carry a boy, can mice eat a plow?" "What do you mean by that?" asked the judge. Ram told everything. The judge understood everything. He said to Sham, "Give back the plow and he will give your son back." Soma's heart. Once, there was a king named Vikram. He had 3 friends, Nanda, Bhoj and Dhanu, and a wise minister called Soma. Once, all friends got into a discussion and could not find a solution. Soma found a solution for them. All the friends were impressed by him. King Nanda told his wife about Soma. She was so charmed by Soma that she wanted his heart. Now, Nanda had a daughter. Prince Dhruva was in love with her. He asked for her hand from King Nanda. Nanda said, "Bring me the heart of Soma, and my daughter will be yours." Dhruva went to King Vikram and challenged him to a game of dice. King Vikram lost the game and Dhruva asked for Soma as his prize. Soma became Dhruva's slave. As soon as he was going to take his heart out, God intervened and saved him. Dhruva was shocked. He set Soma free. In time, King Nanda and his wife also sought Soma's forgiveness. The Ascetic and the Baby Elephant. A rich man became an ascetic and lived in a forest. Once, he came across a baby elephant. He instantly bonded with the baby elephant. He took it to his hermitage. From then on, he started taking care of the elephant. He fed it every day. One day, the ascetic was away for some work. The baby elephant got hungry and ate more than it could digest. Soon, it got sick and died. When the ascetic came back, he was filled with sorrow. He remained in that state for many days. One day, a great sage was passing by. He saw the ascetic grieving. The sage taught the ascetic not to grieve, as he was a man who had given up all attachments. This sermon helped the ascetic overcome his grief, and he resumed his life preaching others.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.